Hey everyone, Joffrey here. So today guys, I'm super excited to share to you or introduce to you the Huawei Mate XT, a true masterpiece that blends cutting-edge engineering, exceptional design, and unparalleled technology. So join us with me as we explore its groundbreaking features and discover what sets this device apart. Alright, let's get started. Imagine a screen that bends the very fabric of reality. Introducing the world's first trifold display, a groundbreaking achievement in nanotechnology and advanced material science, crafted with multidirectional flexible screen material featuring a 3.9mm outward folding radius and 1.9mm inward folding capabilities. This device elevates your folding experience to a whole new level, equipped with ultra-thin glass and non-Newtonian fluid material for added durability. It's designed to endure the demands of daily use while maintaining exceptional clarity and resilience. This isn't just a display, it's a gateway to infinite possibilities. Next, let's dive into the hinge system. At the core of the Mate XT lies its groundbreaking advanced precision hinge, a true marvel of mechanical engineering. Crafted from aerospace-grade ultra-strong steel with a tensile strength of 1900 megapascal, which is 7 times stronger than traditional steel. It has been meticulously refined through 15,000 iterations of rigorous testing. The result, a folding experience that's as smooth as butter, where every motion exemplifies unmatched precision, strength, and elegance. Moreover, in a world where thinness is the ultimate mark of luxury, the Mate XT reigns supreme. At just 3.6mm thin when unfolded, it's the world's thinnest foldable smartphone, even slimmer than dual-fold devices. If we compare this to Mate X6, this is 32% thinner when fully opened. Weighing only 298 grams, it's also the lightest 10-inch display on the market. At the back of this device is equipped with ultra-thin vegan leather with super strong aircraft-grade fiber and ultra-thin battery, a true triumph of minimalist design. The Mate XT effortlessly redefines what it means to be portable, powerful, and elegantly crafted. Now let's talk about the camera and design. It has the new striking octagonal star diamond design that is inspired by the largest octagonal dome in the world. The Santa Maria del Fiore is a tribute to human ingenuity and the eternal quest for greatness. Each angle and each facet tells a story of ambition, precision, and timeless beauty. The ionic curves of the Mate XT are more than just a design element. They are a testament to time. Each curve honors the unique and ultimate life experiences of its owner, reminding us that every moment is a masterpiece in the making. In the pursuit of perfection, every details matter. The amber gold waistline and handcrafted logo are not just embellishment. They are a symbol of the highest technical standards of Huawei. This is where craftsmanship meets technology, creating a device that is as much a work of art as it is a tool. Available with two exquisite color options, the red, which is classic and elegant, and we have the black, which is subtle and mysterious, both adorned with premium vegan leather. The addition of rotating stand aramid fiber case ensures that the Mate XT is not just a device, but a companion for every moment of your life. Elegance, sustainability, and functionality all in one. The Huawei Mate XT is more than a smartphone. It is a statement of innovation, a celebration of artistry, and a tool for those who dare to dream. This is not just the future of technology, this is the future of you. Alright, that's all about with the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate Technology. Thanks for watching. Peace out.